Everything you know about stars and planets is a lie. Did you know stars are not just balls of burning gas? They're nuclear powerhouses, creating elements that build planets and life. But wait, there's more. Planets are not just rocks floating in space. Some are gas giants, bigger than stars. Stars shine by fusing hydrogen, while planets just reflect light. Crazy, right? And did you hear? Some stars can become black holes, swallowing everything. Planets? They just orbit, but did you know some can have rings like Saturn? Mind-blowing. Stars create, planets host life. They're cosmic dance partners in the universe's grand show. Want to unlock more cosmic secrets? Subscribe for more.